Good morning, students. Myself, Professor Jitendra Hegde, Senior Lecturer from Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering Technology. Our today's topic is assignment number 2, that is active voice and passive voice. Students, you know that there are two types of voice. One is active, one is passive. In active voice, the doer doing the action, but in the passive voice, somebody one else doing the action through doer. Means doer not doing the action. Somebody insists him to do the action. And significance of this direct indirect is very important. It is very important to using or knowing the change the voice, because while in communicating, while in a conversation, it is important to you to converting or transferring sentence active to passive as well as communicating in active and passive voice. The active voice and passive voice helps in appropriate language for the effective communication. Correct use of voice as per the context play a vital role in a formal as well as informal communication or situation. This learning experience will help to you develop the complete competency in communication in English and spoken or written form also. Means for competency in English, voice is very important to voice play a very important role in a speaking as well as in the writing grammar. Relevant program outcomes, basic knowledge and communication skill also there. Relevant course outcome, formal grammatically correct sentences, practice learning outcomes, that is change the voice from active to passive. Practical skill, to use computer system including the language lab software, develop learning, listening, reading, writing skill. Relevant affective domain related outcomes, follow safety practice while handling like equipment, self learning attitude. Minimum theoretical background, basic knowledge of verb is required to learn active and passive voice. The rule of change voice should be known to be the student. The knowledge of transitive and intransitive verb is also essential for identifying the object also. Experimental setup, language lab relevant software. Then procedure, open language lab software, log in your account. Use instruction carefully. Select exercise on preposition. Construct sentence using correct prepositions. Change the voice. Speak correct sentences or change the voice. So students, we know the voice, active and passive voice. Okay. Here are some exercises given for changing voice. We know that first of all, while changing voice, it is important to us to knowing the main verb. If you know the main verb, then it is easy to you to transferring the sentence, because you know the verb, you know that which voice is there, active or passive. Okay. While changing sentence active to passive, it is important to us to changing the place of subject and object, transfer the verb in its third form with the helping verb. But when that, while use of helping verb, okay, while transferring this verb in a third form, it always keep helping verb. Means helping verb plus V3 is always used there. Okay. In passive voice, verb always follows helping verb with third form. Then by is also used. Also, there are interrogative structure is also there. Also, imperative structure is there. In imperative, we use let be structure. Okay, etc. Interrogative, as per the sentence structure of interrogative sentence, we are transferring sentence. Okay. Then, in this way, we are transferring the voice active to passive. Let us see how to transfer the sentence active to passive. I sent report yesterday. In this sentence, I is a subject, sent is a verb, the report yesterday is an object. But we know that subject take place as an object take place as a subject. According to it, we transfer the sentence. But then object is the report. Sentence begins with, the report was sent by me. Sent is verb into second form, means it's a V2 form. That's why send transfer to send, Okay, and relevant helping verb, that is was, because the report is singular, so we took was by me every day. Okay, the report was sent by me every day, yesterday, not every day. The restaurant was renovated by me in 2004. I renovated the restaurant in 2004. Here, me is objective form, me transfer as a subjective form, then me transfer to I. Was renovated is a passive voice, then transfer to active. Was is deleted, renovated in third form to two form is transfer. Second form is transfer. I renovated the restaurant in 2004. The girls were singing song when I was went into the hall. The girls were singing song when I went into the hall. In this sentence, the song were being, देखिए here singing, were singing, past continuous tense is used. We know that singing transfer into sing, sang, sung. Okay, but ing form is also there. So imb, for keeping ing in the sentence, we took additional help of be, that is being. The song were being sung by the girls when I went into the hall. By whom was she taught French? Interrogative sentence is there. We know that by whom is there. Sentence begins with who. We delete by whom, and instead of by whom we use who. Then was taught means passive voice structure is there. It is passive form of simple past tense. That's why who taught her French? She transferred to her. Who taught her French? Question marks. I will clean the house every Saturday. The house will be cleaned by me every Saturday. Let the door be shut. Imperative, it is a passive voice of imperative sentence. So it is let be structure is used here. While transferring imperative sentence into passive voice, we transfer the sentence into active voice. That time we delete let be. So shut is a verb, door is an object. So shut the door. Okay, is the correct answer. Grammar is taught to us by Professor Gokhale. Professor Gokhale teaches us grammar. Professor Gokhale teaches us grammar, or Professor Gokhale teaches grammar to us. Okay, in this we write down the sentence. The publisher had printed the book. Had printed, present perfect tense is used. The publisher had been printed the book had been printed by the publisher. The book had been printed by the publisher. He will be forgiven by the teacher. The teacher will be forgiven. Okay, means he will be forgiven by teacher. Passive voice is there of simple future tense. So teacher object, at the place of object we transfer subject. Then the teacher will be forgiven. So will forgive. Okay, he transferred to him. The teacher forgive him. Teacher forgive him. The fire destroyed the whole forest. The whole forest was destroyed. Destroyed is V2 transfer into was destroyed. Active to passive. Two ministers are singing treaty. The treaty is being sung by two ministers. The treaty is being sung by two ministers. Mary generously donated money to the homeless shelter. To the homeless shelter, the money was denoted generously by Mary, or on the another way, the money was denoted donated generously by Mary to the homeless shelter. The money was donated generously by Mary to the homeless shelter. Susan will bake 2 dozen cupcake for sale. Will bake, simple future tense. So will be baked. 2 dozen cupcakes will be baked by Susan for the sale. Or for the sake, 2 dozen cupcake will be baked by Susan. Number 14, who ate the last cookies? Okay, interrogative sentence, who is there? So that's why we sentence begins with by whom. By whom was ate, that is, to is used. That's why simple past tense is used. Simple past is there, so was where is we use there. Who was, by whom was the last cookie eaten? Ate transparent to eaten. V2 transferred to V3. Question marks. Will your brother pay your fees today? Will your fees be paid by your brother today? Interrogative sentence is there. So sentence begins with WH word. So that's why helping verb. So we keep the same helping verb will there. Okay. Will the fees your object. Will the fees be paid by your brother today? (16) The director will give you instructions. The instructions will be given to you by the directors. Yeah, either the instruction will be given by the director to you. In this way, we write down the sentence. In two ways, we write down the sentence. The instruction will be given by the director to you. Yeah, the instruction will be given to you by the directors. Who did this? By whom was this done? Did is a V2, do, did, and V3 is done. Okay, but it's a simple past tense is that. That's why though it is a simple past tense, so we took help of was and where. Who indicates singular now. Okay, that's why by whom is singular also. That's why we put was there. By whom was this done? Question mark. Let this post be advertised. Let this post be advertised. Means remove let be and transfer sentence. Advertise this post. The kangaroo carried her baby in her pouch. The baby means her baby in her pouch is object, carried verb, the kangaroo is the subject. The baby was carried V2 is there, so that's why was carried by the kangaroo in her pouch. The robber has been caught by the police. The police has been caught the robber. Okay, the robber has been caught by the police means the passive form of present perfect tense. So been is removed and transferred into the police has caught the robber. So students, in this way we discuss active to passive voice. It is most important topic in your communication. If you understood, if you know this topic very well, so you do not have any problem to transfer sentence active to passive or passive to active in either written form or it is in a oral form while talking, while speaking or communicating each other. So I hope you understood the topic. Thank you very much.